Yes, Mr. Sarit Haria, if you can please go ahead and ask your question. You've raised your hand.
Yeah, hi sir. Good evening. I think it's a little late in the night. So, just one question. I'm father of a student who is doing a IBDP course. She's in her second year now. Her interest lies in obviously research, and she wants to do something on the bioscience. We wanted to understand, what's the difference between a bioscience course and the life science course that Ahmedabad University is offering,
Right.
and whether, do you encourage research? Do you have investments done on the labs and, those kind of facilities which is basically required to do research? And does the lab is inside the university, and,
Yeah.
how it is?
Yeah, we have a very good program. I'm sure you've seen it. That's why you know that it's in life sciences. So the life science is just a term. In reality, our program is very broad and it helps young people develop skills in multiple domains within the area of life sciences. There are many students at Ahmedabad University who have completed and gone on to do masters in biotechnology in some of the top universities around the world. In fact, we have had, I think, 4 or 5 students who've gone to John Hopkins, which is one of the world's top leading universities in life sciences or biotechnology or biosciences. We've had students who've gone to Cambridge. We've had students who've gone to University of Maryland. There's a student who's doing PhD at University of Buffalo. So students are going to very good institutions and doing very good, courses. It's a very broad domain. So, I don't think that, biotechnology is slightly more limited. Biosciences is actually looking at the entire world of fields that are linked with biology and research. All our faculty are researchers, and they're doing very interesting research. You should look at our website. We also have very interesting laboratories, and you should come and have a look. In fact, I would say we probably have some of the best labs uh, amongst most universities in India. The interesting thing at Ahmedabad University is we allow students from year one to start working in these labs. Most of the time, this is something that is allowed for students who are only doing masters. And once only they to get to their master's degree, most universities will allow them to work on instruments. At Ahmedabad University, first year bachelor students are allowed to understand and use the equipment. Our vice chancellor is on a board of a life sciences company, and he was attending the board meeting, and there was a lady who runs a lab in Bangalore, and she came and said that, I'm very happy to meet you here because we have a student from your university who's doing internship with us. And in the morning I came, and I saw her fiddling with a 5 crore machine, and I was very scared. And I asked her, what are you doing? You're not supposed to touch this. And then the student said, but I'm setting it up so that we can do experiments. And she said, do you know how to operate this? And then she sat there and she saw this young person actually clean the machine and set it up. And she was so surprised that she wanted to give this feedback to the vice chancellor. And this kind of a thing happens only because, mostly in India, everybody thinks that science is a hierarchical thing. So you have to go through certain loops before you can even get to the equipment. So I would strongly recommend that you come and visit us sometime. And I don't know where you're based, but do come and visit us. It'll give you a deeper insight into the kind of work our faculty is doing. There are people who work on cancer biology. There are people who work on CRISPR-Cas9. There are people who are working on understanding neuroscience. So lots of different possibilities are there, and you should look at the faculty profiles. It'll give you a much better understanding.